Side of the camera. Candace, I'm recording.
Oh,
I thought you were taking
I
I
was gonna make a vagina.
I'll make a penis. Hey, today,
Baby, I got your money, got your money.
I said what?
You know what would be? You know what would be really funny?
What?
If like one of us ended up stealing all the blankets.
That's gonna be me. I'm gonna spin.
I do that a lot.
And then like in the morning we all start punching each other.
Wait, when did we sleep over? We had a sleepover, me and you, Sunita?
Yeah, it was before.
My bedroom, right?
Right?
Yes.
The night before. No, was it? Yeah, it was home.
You guys,